everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today that was definitely my old intro. I do apologize quickly about the lighting because, as you can probably tell, I'm not in Palermo. I am in Venice, so I'm actually using this window that I have right here. It's some good natural light, but I apologize if the background is pretty dark. I don't really know how to fix that, but yeah, today, if you've read the title, I have two Louis Vuitton unboxings for you guys. Before we get started, make sure to follow me on Instagram because I do post daily here, and we're doing a lot of like travel vlogs, travel posts right now, so it's a lot of fun. So do follow me down there, link in the description. But let's get started. I've got a small one right here, and I have a really big one right here. So let's jump on in, not waste any time. We'll start with the small one. So listen, for the past about a month or so after I got my Prada bag, if you haven't seen that unboxing, I'll have it linked right up here for you. I have just been obsessed. It is a tiny little bit of a problem. It needs to stop. I have enough bags at this point. Or like this one right here is mine, but this big one is actually my mom's. I did get this little guy from Louis Vuitton, and inside I've got this little box right here, and this is actually my first SLG. Well, actually, technically it's my second SLG because I never showed this like on camera, but let me go get it. This is gonna be like a 3 unboxing. Hold on. I don't know how I totally forgot to unbox this when I did get it, but I did get a Gucci wallet. This was my first SLG that I got, and I'm actually, if you don't know, SLG stands for small leather good. So I love this wallet. It's amazing. It's beautiful, and it's pink, and I believe this is from the new season, but this is the one I wanted in the pink color. And I actually got this in Venice. I got it like when we first got here, like the second day we got here, and I'm obsessed with it. They only had one of these in store, and they said, wow, you got the last one. We've been having a hard time keeping this color in stock. So yeah, I love this one. I think it's absolutely beautiful and stunning in every way. It's got 2 card holders here, 2 right here. It's got a area for your money, which I love, and then it has a zip pocket as well for any coins. So it definitely is roomy, but it also has pockets back here on either side as well, so it does have a ton of room. So this is my first SLG, and now we'll get into the Louis Vuitton ones. So opening this bad boy up right here, as you can see, it has the really nice dust bag. I just think the packaging on these are really nice, and here is that. And what I got for myself is this right here. Now, if you like anything luxury, if you follow anyone like Mel and Melvin, Alyssa Lenore, Chase Amy, if you follow any of these like designer bag influencer ladies, then you'll know that pretty much every single one of them has one of these. This is a Louis Vuitton key holder. I was totally influenced by these 3 ladies in this key holder because they were saying how practical it is and how nice and how easy it is to find your keys. And I am one of those people that throws my keys in my bag, and then I have dug in my bag for like 3 minutes trying to find my keys. That's a long time. Probably like for a good minute trying to find my keys before. And if you have one of these, you just stick your key fob, like your key thing, on these, and this one is a 6 key holder. They come in 4 as well, but I wanted to get the 6 because I do have a lot of keys. And yeah, I love this. This was the only one they had in store. It was the brown one. I saw online where they have a pink inside, and I really wanted the pink inside, but I actually really liked the brown as well. I thought the brown was really neutral, very cool. I could wear it with any bag. Honestly, it doesn't matter at all because it's just a key holder. But also the reason why I would recommend to do the 6 key holder option is because it also comes with this little slot right here where you can put any extra cards that you might need to. So this could also double as a very small wallet as well. So here's the first thing that I got, and I love it very much. It's so cute. I haven't actually started using it yet because I'm not in America. I'm in Italy, so I don't have my keys with me. So I can't actually like try it out. And now we have the big boy. So this, I'm so excited. Again, this one is for my mom, and I had gone into the Louis Vuitton store to get this key holder, and then I called her, and then she was, you know, we were talking back and forth, and then she was like, well, can you ask and see if they have like the most basic Louis Vuitton bag? And I said, well, Mom, which one are you talking about? Are you talking about one that's canvas or one that's leather? What? She goes, I don't know what it's called. It's just like the most basic Louis Vuitton bag, like everyone has it. So I took a couple pictures. When I think of really common Louis Vuitton bags, I think of the Neverfull and I think of the Speedy. It's not that they're common, it's just that I feel like they're the most practical and a lot of people love them and have them. So I asked the lady and I got a couple pictures, and my mom was like, no, it's definitely this one. I said, great. So this is the one that she got. Here is the big box. I'm obsessed with the boxes. Genuinely, I don't think I can take the box home. How the hell am I gonna fit this in my carry-on? I'm not. Which kind of upsets me because I really wanted to have the boxes. Anyways, big boy box. Opening this up here. Yeah. Here is the dust bag. Let's play a game. Go ahead and just guess by the shape of the dust bag which bag my mom got. Did she get the Neverfull? Did she get the Speedy? Or did she get something else? I don't know. Go ahead and comment what you think she got, and if you get it right, I'll heart your comment, of course. I just spat everywhere. Oh, that's great. I love that for me. Anyways, have you got it commented? Great. Let's open this bad boy up, and she did get the Neverfull. So this is the classic Neverfull with the monogram, like the LV monogram, but it has this beautiful red interior, and I thought it was so pretty because the lady at the Louis Vuitton store was like, this is the only one that we even have in stock. They had a lighter color and it had like the checkered print. It wasn't the monogram, and my mom really loved the monogram version. And my mom is one of those people where she carries so much stuff that I really think this would be a good work bag for her. She needs a really big work bag, but this, look at this, guys. It's just such a pretty bag. It's very classic. It's just a wonderful bag. I've heard so many good things about it, and I would have a bag like this myself, but I don't carry anything. I carry like my wallet, maybe my camera, my pocket Wi-Fi, my phone, which I normally don't even put my phone inside my bag. I just put it in my pocket, like in my back pocket. So I don't carry a lot, but my mom really does. But as you can see here, it has the clasp closure. Now the Neverfull does not zip close, which is kind of annoying, I think. But I feel like that'd be easier for my mom to get in and out of. It does have an inside pocket right here, and then I actually forgot about this, but when you get the Neverfull, you get like this free pouch that it comes with. I completely forgot about this little pouch. My mom is gonna get so much use out of this, and then if she doesn't want to carry the big bag, she can just carry the pouch inside with her or something, and it would just be like a 2-in-1. Also, the lady at the store, at the boutique, said that you can fold these in as well on the sides right here to give it a different shape. So you could do it like this as well, and it would kind of turn into like a big kind of bucket bag, and then you can clip the front here, and then it would be a lot more protected and like closed. But I also love this shape as well, so I told mom about that, about being able to change it and kind of customize it, and she was so excited. So I I think I prefer the shape like this a tiny bit more because I think it's a little more like A-line, and that's just what I like. But I think my mom will love both. I think that she'll get a lot of use out of this kind of shape, but mostly I think that she is going to just be obsessed with the normal big kind of just like tote bag. That just kind of screams my mom. So I'm obsessed. I think my mom did such a good job with the decision of this bag. I think that she's going to love it. I'm super excited. Mom, if you watch this, hi, I love you. But yeah, you guys, that has been my double Louis Vuitton unboxing. Let me know if you have the little key holder in your collection or if you have a different brand. I honestly have only ever seen the Louis Vuitton key holders. Do other brands make them? I assume they would, but I honestly have no idea. If other brands make the key holders like this, let me know in the comments so I can take a look at them as well. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there, and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.